Alright, I'm going to try and press this thing apart. I'm buried in the back of my garage. I'm going to try and press this. It shouldn't take too much to press this gear off the shaft. I think it's already been slipping out, but if it gets too tight, I'll have to back up and try again. Doesn't look very well. Get you in here. I don't know, it's pretty dark in there. Let me try something else. Boy, that just feels way too tight. I'm progressing here. Something else I did. Oh, that hurt. I kind of fell on my finger there. Something else I did. Huh. That is a cone shaped. I did not realize that. Anyway. This is the washer that broke. Okay, so that's cone shaped. That cone goes there. Anyway, this washer broke. And I slipped that washer back in there. And then just gave it. I didn't actually keep it going. I was a little afraid, but I just held a little pressure on it, and eventually it just kind of popped. Alright. Good deal. We're getting somewhere finally. Clean that up. It's got... Man, okay. I guess it'll be okay because it should be... Yeah, I think we'll be alright. Push that in there. And we gotta push this out. I might try to find a socket that fits that. I think this will be okay. Clean it. It's got a lot of metal shards in there. So I was trying to push down like that. That probably wasn't a good deal. Made it really hard to remove this. So we really need to have that washer down in there. And I do believe the kit came with a new washer. I'll have to scrape this off. I'm gonna get some tools. I'll just work over here. Try to find something to press into that. Let's see what I don't guess I'll need to. There's no reason to press that off the shaft. Alright. Part of me wants to just... I've got this oil hole I've got to line up. I think it's pretty generous in the housing. I want to kind of just use the... I'd like to just do that. Push the... I don't know. Man, that's almost perfect. I don't even think I got this socket. I don't think I need it. I'm gonna go ahead and push out the old one and push in the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and use my socket here since I already went to the trouble to get it. This is a 1-inch 3/4 drive socket from... Yeah. Okay. That's slipping too well. That just keeps going in crooked. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's a pretty big hole. I should be able to hit that without too much trouble. Okay, we'll match up the old with the new. Actually, you can see the port right here. Stinks. Usually stinks in there. It should be no problem at all. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Looks kind of dirty. Gotta go a little deeper. Shave the wall, shave some of that plating off of that. Okay, how much deeper do you want to go? Okay. Huh. Almost looks like it's... That is like a whole other piece right there, pressed in. Kind of thought that was machined down, but now that I look at it, it does. Oh, you could press that whole outer boss here out, I think, probably to replace it, and it probably. Cheap press is kind of difficult to use. Kind of wants to cock off to an angle. Need some light. Alright, let's do that. Okay, we're just going to leave it at that. You can see my port's good. Oh, dang it. Maybe not. I should go a little lower. Alright, I'm going to push it a hair down. That's getting pretty deep. Yeah, I'm starting to... Well, see, I can start... Yeah, we're done. Matter of fact, that was probably too far. Because I'm starting to see the edge of my hole. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We're going to leave that. Now we're going to put this... This says a thrust washer. We got a thrust washer that rides on the face of that. Assuming that face is still good, it goes down like that. I don't know if that's still going to be good. We've got this washer that's chamfered. I'm going to drop it down so that that's the other thrust washer. I'm going to drop it down so the cone of this gear. This looks really good. All these teeth look pretty good. Actually, those teeth are... the teeth are fine, but they're kind of... You can tell they've been hitting the wall there. I think we're going to do it like that. Hope for the best. Hopefully that'll take the mess out of it. Okay, so you do go over like that. Perfect. And then, alright, so that must get oil and pass it. I've got some assembly lube somewhere. Okay, well, shockingly I can't find my assembly lube. But I got some diesel oil here. I'll just give it a little, figure out which way this goes. I need to put that new bearing on. Okay, I've got this big thrust bearing I need to drop into here. And then this will come up. No, that'll go down through here. It's good. Okay. All right. Fall down through here. Yeah, we're gonna have to push on that gear, aren't we? Well, the thrust bearing down in. I'll drop the beveled side of the washer up. Now the fun part. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, man. Well, there's no play. And see, that hasn't even bottomed out. I mean, it bottomed out down there, but it didn't bottom off to the shaft. That was pretty tight too. I think that's it. I think we're gonna do pretty good now. I need to get these scraped off. There you go. Nothing real magical about scraping. What's that?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix this. That's pretty good. Now this one. Okay. Ah. What? Okay. Oh, I got seal out real quick. Well, at least I hope it's real quick. I don't know. Actually, I might be able to. Well, let me try something else. Alright, try a big screwdriver. But I might be able to stick it through the other way and drive it out. Oh, there she goes. Alright, try to push this bearing out. I'm going to try my dead blow here first. Got a 1 3/16 socket here. Get something a little heavier. Okay, I'm going to take a Sharpie. I'm going to mark where the port is. What does matter is getting that hole lined up with the hole, because there's a oil port drilled through here, lubing that bearing. Make a little mark there, and then now I've got a mark right here. There's something down there, just in case. That started pretty good. If that'll work. I've got like a cam bearing installation tool. I should have forget about this bearing installation. I mean, I didn't forget about it. I just forgot how it worked, so I wasn't for sure if I could use it or not. Yeah, that'll work perfect. That's the other reason I didn't use it, because I wish this came off. I need to put it on here. Alright, got lucky. I found a lock nut. Pretty good. You can kind of see. And come back here. Okay, follow. There's that, and you can see the bearing there. And then let's bring it over here. We're kind of on the start of that. It's kind of tapered here, and maybe not. You know what? I thought that was tapered, but it's not. I'm gonna go just a hair more. There we go. Okay. This ain't gonna be real pretty, but it gets the job done. Oh, not good. You know, this is kind of bowed too. That's a terrible idea. Better off just hitting it with a hammer. Oops. Yeah, it's not pretty. That's the job done. It does have a little sticky. Oh, that's nice. Stick that to the, oh, awesome. We'll stick that to the accessory drive. Oh, there's my timing marks. Yeah. Okay. These timing marks right here, I'm going to be looking for to that port. Got a nasty old extension here. I'm going to grind this down. It's already twisted. It may not even work. Anyway, I'm going to grind it down to 5/16. See if that gets me anywhere. Not pretty. Gonna twist off. It probably is. Yeah, wow. Guess I should have used something a little nicer. Bought a chrome moly pipe plug remover set. Let's see if I got enough oomph. Oh, that's what it took. Okay. Okay. Boy, that was a little turkey. Let's see if I can keep from losing that before it all goes back together. And I need to rotate the engine until I can see the marks, and then I can stab the accessory drive. So I've got to get this engine turned around and find these marks on the I guess that'd be the camshaft gear. There we go. Turn the light on and watch this. Oh wow, I think I see the marks already. No, maybe not. Let's see here. Oh, it's going the other way. Bummer. Take a while. It's marked there, but it looks like a These are my actual timing marks, but I guess I missed them. I finished the job like with using that half moon stamp, so pretty much means I can't use my accessory drive pulley to time the engine. TS USA. Oh, part number. I feel like we're coming around now. Okay, there it is. That might be it. I should be able to stab that accessory drive and check out the alignment. Let's go get the accessory drive. I gotta clean that up. It's got some WD-40 on it. Leave my towel in there so I don't get too much down in the engine. Gotta be careful spraying that brake cleaner because it'll take the silk screen off of the data plate. Frog in my throat. That is a heavy beast. threads. I'll go get my oil can, drop some oil on those teeth. Alright, let's see if I'm hitting that or not. I'll just have to jump a tooth each time until I hit it. The problem is I can't see the teeth. Oh, I think that's it. Oh man, I'm one tooth off. Probably couldn't even see me do that. And my shoulder in your way. Okay, there we go. There's the dots. Okay, here we go. There's the dots, and there's the only mark on the... Too far. There's 45. Okay. Alright, I've got to tighten this up, so I had to flip back to the repair side. That thing needs to be tightened to 35 foot-pounds. Okay, clean this pulley up a bit. Get that wear sleeve off. I'm gonna need it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. Brake adjuster, wrenches. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, that ain't working. Whoa! Alright, let's see what that does. Oh yeah, much better. Try that again. There we go. Okay, let that cool. I'm gonna pressure wash the back side of this pump, just clean it up a little bit. These don't just go on a certain way. Alright. There we go. What I've done, I've taken these screws or bolts and cleaned all the threads out with brake parts cleaner. And then I shot them with some WD-40. And hopefully that'll mean that I can just, hoping I can just thread these in. Well, I'm getting nowhere fast, so I'm gonna make some changes here. I'm gonna try and take apart this air compressor cooler line. I'm just gonna break this so I can maybe twist it out of the way. You can just snake a wrench. Let's see if that helps at all. I might. Click, 45 pounds. Back to this thing. Dang it. What's the secret here? Well, almost to the fuel pump. That don't seem right. Get this spider plastics gear here. Oh, okay. Okay. Nothing there. There it is. Come on around. Okay, there's that and that. Oh. It only had 3 bolts in it, so the last guy that took the pump off decided just 3 bolts was gonna have to do. One of the bolts was this 12 point. Anyway, I got some flange head bolts here. I had to cut them down, they were too long, so I've got them. This one's gonna be a little tricky. Okay, there we go, that's good. Try to thread these in by hand as far as possible. This is a 7/16, 12 point. I think that's all I can do. 3/16. That's 3/8. Okay, there we go. Throttle cable. This plug put in. Make that too tight. Okay, I'm gonna have to press this in for tonight. Some thrust washer would probably be perfect. Alright, time to get that accessory drive pulley on. Found my dowel pan, put it in yesterday. We'll see if this works out. Jeez, is that not enough? I just can't tell. Okay, this is going to be fun. It wants 300 foot-pounds of torque on this nut. Well, I think I'm going to try and where they used to be threaded. Everybody's been shoving screwdrivers in there. I bet you could thread. I'll bet you could thread something in there and lock out your flywheel. Now they've all just been crushed because people have been just sticking their screwdrivers in there like I am. Well, I'm not proud of it, but gotta get her done. I don't know if that's turning or not. Maybe as tight as we're gonna get her. Alright, I got this battery charged up overnight. I find it hard to believe this little trickle charger. My big charger's broke. I've been holding out looking for a dummy charger because all they sell is smart chargers, but I may just break down and buy a smart charger. I find it hard to believe that little trickle charger got those batteries charged up, so it may just be on one battery. I don't know. Let's see what it does. making progress. It's I didn't get that one. Must not. Well, I don't know. I don't remember loosening that one, but it's getting wet. I must have cracked that loose. It's getting wet though, so that's a good sign. That's what it was. Damn, I knew I forgot about that. It's a damn switch on the dash. I forgot. Right here. I forgot about that. Gotta pull that out or you ain't going nowhere. Okay, let's see what this does. See if we got enough in here to do anything. Well, hopefully that works. Whoa, bad leak. Oh, right there. I can't. I've ruined. Get it closer to the barn here so I can get some air in the tires. Okay. On the seat. There's no seat belts in this thing.